gold, the prize for the fastest vegetable. Who will win the grand golden trophy?
Obviously, I'll win. I'm built for speed. Speed? You look like an orange pencil. I happen to be incredibly fast. Oh yeah? Well then, prove it.
Everyone knows tomatoes are the stars of every salad.
But what about the crunch of broccoli? Please don't start a food fight, you two.
In a village where every vegetable walked, "I don't need to run, I'll just roll." And with a mighty tuck, he did exactly that, leaving his friends far behind in the dust. The annual race had just begun, but little Potato was rolling right behind, while Cucumber made a massive, joyful leap. Who will win this epic race?
Welcome to the annual Veggie Games, where things just took a wild turn.
Who will save it his all? I will take his place and win. Let us do it for the village.
And they're off! The carrot takes a strong lead. Poor broccoli is still confused. Oh no, what happened to the potato?
The annual vegetable race was underway.
I won't let you win this time, Tommy.
Go, 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 everyone! Wait up! Who will take home the golden trophy? Welcome to the annual Vegetable Derby, where poor Cecil Carrot is running for his absolute life. With the hungry Barnaby Bunny hot on his trail, will he make it to the finish line and claim the Golden Cup? Welcome to the annual Vegetable Grand Prix. Poor Buster Carrot is discovering the hard way that in this race, everyone is playing for keeps. The annual Great Vegetable Race had reached its chaotic climax. Disaster struck at the very finish line. No one could have predicted this epic crash. But amidst the... And so, against all odds, Kevin the Cucumber takes the gold. The crowd is absolutely speechless. What a truly unbelievable finish. And so, the wise cucumber shared the moral of the story. You don't have to be the loudest or fastest to succeed. Stay calm, keep going, and do your best.